Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve NTA JEE Main Sample Question 2021, question number 22. Let A, B are two events such that PA is equal to half and PB is equal to 1 by 3. If the probability of at least one of their occurring is 2 by 3, then P A complement union B complement whole complement has the value 2. Four options are given. This is the question in the house of probability. So at first we are trying to solve with Venn diagram. So this is a diagram also. So here is the two set, that is A and B. This one is A and this is B. So P A is equal to half given, and we know P A complement is equal to half also. PB is equal to 1 by 3 given. PB complement is equal to 1 by 3, and at least one of their occurring is 2 by 3. So at least one means P A union B. At least one means P A union B, that is equal to 2 by 3 given here. So now the formula, now we know P A union B is equal to, this one become P A plus P B minus P A intersection B. We know P A union B is equal to this from De Morgan's law. So here we put 2 by 3. That implies P, now putting 2 by 3 is equal to PA is equal to half, PB is equal to 1 by 3 minus P A intersection B. So that implies P A intersection B is equal to 1 by 6. Now P, we should calculate the value P A complement union B complement whole complement. So P A complement union B complement whole complement. So it is 1 minus P A intersection B complement, that is equal to P A intersection B. So that is equal to, here already proved, that is, this is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is our required answer. And our option is, option 3 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 22. Now moving to the question 23. And it is, there are exactly 2 points of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, whose distance from the center of the ellipse are greatest and equal to root a square plus b square by 2. Eccentricity of the ellipse is equal to 4 options are given. This is a very interesting problem, and possibilities to coming is maximum high. So just draw the axis at first. So this was the ellipse given, and it is our given ellipse, and this is a comma 0, and here we write minus a comma 0. So the distance eccentricity, so now the given ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore eccentricity E is equal to root over 1 minus b square by a square. Now E is given, so the greatest and equal to root over a square plus b square. So now root over a square is equal to root over, so distance from these 2 points, root over a square is equal to, this is the highest and this is the greatest distance, so this is a square, this is equal to a square plus 2b square divide 2. So that implies, squaring both sides we get a square is equal to a square plus 2b square divide 2. That implies 2a square is equal to a square plus 2b square. So here we get a square is equal to 2b square. Now eccentricity is E is equal to root over 1 minus b square by a square. So that is equal to root over 1 minus a square is equal to 2b square. So here only b square divide 2b square. So b square and b square is cancelled off. So here we get root over 1 minus half. So that is equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is eccentricity and we reached, it is our required answer. So eccentricity is of the ellipse is equal to 1 by root 2. So option 3 is our correct choice. Here is the whole solution of the two problem. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.